the Pompidou Centre, BANFAM. The Pompidou Centre's full name is the Georges Pompidou National Centre of Art and Culture, and is truly a magnificent structure which stands out in the lands of France. The world-famous structure is a dominating feature in its location, the Beaubourg area of the 4th arrondissement of Paris, near Les Halles and the Marais. This project was the result of a worldwide competition drawn up by the Sebastian Loss team. Additionally, the winning design was produced and contributed by Renzo Piano, Richard Rogers, and Gianfranco Francini, assisted by Ove Arup and partners. In collaboration with these architects were Sue Rogers, structural engineers Edmund Happold and Peter Rice. The center project had many obstacles which would face its design when the President Georges Pompidou released his extensive list of requirements and standards. Thus, this building would be and has become the epitome of a multitasking and diverse structure in that it would house different forms of culture and arts, i.e. the National Museum of Modern Art Industrial Design Center, the Public Reference Library, the works of IRCAM, and along with film, theater design, dance, and other diverse forms of live performance. With the full design in mind, construction began in April 1972. 5 years later, on the 31st of January 1977, the Pompidou Centre officially opened its doors by the President of the Republic, Valéry Giscard d'Estaing, and welcomed the what would be 150 million visitors into its spectacular interior. The center is without a doubt one of the most attracting structures in all of France and thus draws extensive visitors a year, consequently making it one of the most popular cultural institutions in the world. Why is the Pompidou Centre so intriguing? Piano, Rogers, and Francini designed the buildings in reference to an evolving spatial diagram and was designed in two parts, the first being a 3-level infrastructure housing and technical facilities and service area, and the second being a 7-level glass and steel superstructure. The essential part to the Pompidou Centre was to maximize spatial movement and flow to spur a diverse arena. Looking upon the facade of the center, one may wonder what specifically does the building structure consist of. This primarily metal structure consists of 14 porticos and 13 bays, 7 levels, and iron girders. Lastly, each story is 7 meters floor to floor, yet one of the prevailing sections of interest in the building is the exoskeleton, allowing the visitor to view the innards of the building, thus contributing to the idea of spatial openness throughout the whole building. The last interesting part is the service tubes with its bright colors and color coordination: blue air ducts, green pipework, yellow electrical shafts, and red for people of movement. This structure is highly technical and must be because this building is unlike any other. And after much critique and calculation, the design which arose is truly a work of art. Although many see the Pompidou Centre as a work of art, there have been some critiques. Nevertheless, the center is quite a fascinating and interesting structure in France and will continue to be one of the most enticing buildings in the world.